Hey, this is a tutorial for a pop style illustration that a student has done. So I am going to go to File and Place to locate the image. And I'm going to place it on the page. So by clicking there and releasing, way too big. So I'm going to go Control minus several times until I can see all of the picture. And then I am going to go down to an outside icon down in the bottom right, or the node, and I'm going to drag it up towards the page, holding down the shift key. Holding down the shift key means that it reduces in size, in scale and proportion. So always hold down the shift key after you start dragging so you're not distorting the image. So I'm going to reduce it until it fits on a page. I always do it from outside corners. If you do it from inside ones, you can be distorting it. If you don't hold down the shift key, it can also distort it. So just make sure you do that. And this one's quite wide, although yours will have to fit a square format, so you need to think about that as well. So we'll probably plan for that. Okay, so I've got this there. You probably want to work in layers with this. So first we're going to go to Window, Workspace, and make sure Essentials Classic is selected. That means that you will then get two columns in your tool palette. It will have some information up the top, which comes in handy, and you've got your color over here and your layers and things like that. So do that, then go to Layers and lock the image into the background. So now it can't move. See this pen with the circle through it means it won't move. So now I'm going to do Control 0. And what Control 0 does is it shows the whole screen, the whole page in there. So I might zoom out just a couple of times. Okay, so I'm just going to start doing things like creating lines, and I'm going to work on a new layer. So just click on the square with the crossing it down the bottom to create a new layer. The layer that you're working on, you highlight. So this one here you can see is shaded blue. So that's the one that I'm working on. Now I'm going to fill the page. So I'm going to start my line on the outside of the page and take it down here. See, I'm following your diagonal line there. But if you wanted to have it up in the corner of your page, then it would have to go up there. But just to keep it similar to yours, we'll do that. Okay, so we've done that. Now we're going to work from the bottom up, and we are going to get the line segment tool and just draw a line by clicking and then dragging out to the edge of the box, but holding down the shift key so you get a straight horizontal line. So do that again. Okay, now you can see that you can't see the lines because they're a shade of white. So I'm going to select both of those. Here in the tool palette, this is for the line. So I'm going to click on black. So now I have some black lines.